Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do the unboxing and do a review of this 30 watts gun from Vention. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, so we have here another product from Vention, and then this is their 30 watts gun charger, or a gallium nitride charger, and it has a 1 meter cord. So let's open this one guys. So thank you Vention for giving us this product to unbox and review. So inside guys is we have here the charger itself. So let's open this one here. Okay, and we also have here that 1 meter type C cable. So as you can see there, so it's type C. And we also have here, yes, this is the Vention gun charger. So you can actually use 2 ports guys, so type C to type C cable and type C to USB cable as well. So here it is, 30 watts gun fast charger. Okay, and actually guys, now I've actually used this one for like couple of days already, and all I can say is that it's really nice. Whenever I charge this one using my iPhone, it can charge at really fast, like in just an hour, and it can already reach around 70% to 80%. And also for the Android, it also charge fast guys. And I just want to tell you that I've actually tried other charger, other brands, and when I try to charge them, although it claims, or they claim that it charges quickly, but also when I use that one, when I use the phone, the battery juice is easily drained. So yeah, I know it can be really fast to charge, but when they drain also the battery, it's also quite fast. But using this Vention 30 watts gun charger, and all I can say is that it charges up so quickly, but the battery does not drain fast. So I really recommend you this one. So if you're interested guys, you just have this here, the link and our product, and also I put that one in our description box. And so far guys, this gun charger from Vention is really good to go. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you guys in our next video.